Parnavi Joshi from Standard 8, St. Michael's School, Ahmednagar. My topic name is Multidimensional Writings of Veer Savarkar. Before we move on to the topic, let us know who he was. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was an Indian independence activist and a politician who formulated the Hindu nationalist philosophy of Hindutva. He was the leading figure in the Hindu Mahasabha. As a response to the Muslim League, Savarkar joined the Hindu Mahasabha and popularized the term Hindutva, previously coined by Chandranath Basu, to create a collective Hindu identity as in the sense of Bharat. He was an atheist and a pragmatic practitioner of Hindu philosophy. Now we will move forward to the seven shackles described by Savarkar. They are: first, the rigid caste system, which according to Savarkar deserves to be thrown into the dustbins of history. The second reform Veer Savarkar wanted to popularize was Vedic literature to everyone, not only to a particular caste. Third, Savarkar wanted to break away from the caste-based vocational rigidity and encourage people to pursue any vocation of their choice based on aptitude and ability. In absence of motivation of competition or lack of aptitude, Savarkar believed merely following what one's father did will make one both complacent and unproductive. Fourth, Savarkar believed in global mobility and need for Indians to venture out into foreign lands so as to bring back the best of the world and carry the fragrance of India and her culture to every corner of the globe. Fifth, Savarkar wanted to break away from the taboo of intercaste dining. He had said, religion is in the hearts, the soul, the spirit, but not in the stomach. Sixth was the promotion of intercaste marriage. The seventh aspect Veer Savarkar underscored was the need to develop a scientific temper. We are 200 years behind Europe, he remarked, adding, it is through science, modern thoughts, and industrialization that we can ensure that every man and woman in India will have a job to do, food to eat, clothes to wear, and a happy life to lead. Veer Savarkar was a multidimensional personality, a freedom fighter, social reformer, political leader, writer, poet, historian, and a philosopher, all combined into one. Veer Savarkar was not an ordinary man. He was a visionary social reformer, a forward looking liberal, an iconoclast in many ways, and an eminently practical strategist who wanted to free India from the colonial rule, if necessary, by violent armed resistance. Recognizing the lack of unity as underlying cause of colonial subjugation, Savarkar's emphasis has been a quest for India's unity and unique Indian identity. Veer Savarkar started the most powerful reform movements against untouchability in India. He built Patita Pavan Mandir in the Ratnagiri district to allow entry to all Indians, including Dalits. From one of his writings, the following words of Veer Savarkar sum up his unwearying commitment he passionately believed in. I have given you all the stores of our martyrs, and I have advised all along to hold firm by the creed of our violent resistance if the circumstances were to force it upon us. I have kept the flag flying. When I heard the sentence passed upon me 14 years ago, the words dancing upon my lips were the same that are dancing upon them today. And I had uttered them then. I have uttered them during the long stay in my prison, and they come forth from my mouth to be carved on your heart and mind and ring in your ears for good. So now we all say together, glory to the goddess of freedom, victory to our mother. Thank you.